Once again, the power of levels, the power of analysis has been proven. I have been telling you 1640, 1645 in my weekly analysis, in my daily analysis, and in fact since last 2-3 weeks we have been taking this number and see 1640, 45, it failed to go past and again traded with a drop. That is the story of the gold yesterday, and likewise silver failed to go past 1880. Now what can be expected today? How we can make profit trading these two? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe is missing on the profits. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start first with look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels. Now these are the hourly charts. And you can clearly see 1625 giving it a very strong support. There is only one breach. There is only once when it is went till towards 1622, else it is 1625 is giving it a very strong support and gold is resisting to go past by. At the same time 1630 on the upside is giving it a resistance. So yes, if you see it trading below, rather I will say if you see it trading below 1620, then you can definitely remain short. Do not take a short entry, do not sell gold today till the time it trades above 1620 levels. Remember, till the time it trades above 1620, do not take a sell position, because below 1620 only it will call for more bears and then it may remain bearish from there and we can expect a sharper drop till towards 1618, 15 and in fact below levels. On the upside, yes, above 1630 you can again expect the next target 1635, 1640 levels should be seen, and in fact it can try to rise beyond 1640. Be cautious there. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic oversold and trying to rise from there on the hourly charts. The MACD on the hourly charts is bearish, RSI is flat there indicating moderate moves there. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see, first thing is higher lows here. Second thing is this time it tried to breach it once, indicate that there is a possibility for it to rise, but at the same time right now it is very much into consolidation phase and hence be cautious, specifically between 1630 and 1625 and 24 levels. Below that, yes, you can try to initiate a short entry, but then expect the safe short entry in gold is only below 1620 levels. Be careful. Above 1630 definitely you can buy there. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold and hence you can expect a little rise. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. I will wait for it to, if it continues with this, because see how these are right now trading parallel, moving parallel, and indicates that the crossover, I think it needs a lot much of effort for it to cross over for a sell. I think it can bounce back from here. RSI should trade flat and it can reverse again on the upside. Now look at the 3-hour charts taking the support here. Lower highs are shown. I will wait for the next candle, and unless and until it trades below 1625-24, then only we can expect bearishness, and above 1630 more bullishness can be seen. Directional movement bearish, stochastic entering into oversold zone. The MACD is trading flat without any divergence. RSI is also sloping downwards indicating moderate bearishness on the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see body size. The previous candle hardly has any body. Yes, there was a sharp drop yesterday with the US session, but then again now it is trying to create a base out here, and once, see it, this can be a reversal candle. If it breaks beyond 1630, the next candle, probably we may see a little rise. 1630, 1635, 40 levels can be expected, and then again the highs at around 1645. I don't think so 1645 will be seen, but 1640 can definitely be achieved today if it continues to trade above 1630. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD has been trading, now again crossed over for a sell. Be cautious. RSI trading flat. And now look at the daily chart. On the daily charts, look at the previous few candles. Yesterday we talked about this. Let me draw it a little beautifully for you. So yes, it has precisely achieved the highs. Now you can also see the lows are not there, indicates that the downward pressure is there, but the downward pressure is not much. The bears have been exhausted. At the same time, the bulls are pushing it back again on the downside, and yes, the bulls are failing to take the charge. See, stronger wick out there. It means that yes, bulls try to take it upward, however failing to take the control. The candle ended in red. And now look at the previous candle also. A smaller tail and a bigger wick indicates that there was a downward pressure. Now possibility exists because see the tail is hardly anything, and it means that it do not want to go on the downside. Possibility for it to again rise exists. However, 1640 levels, 1642 levels will come into picture as a stronger resistance. So for the day, directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. RSI is trading at bottom. Considering this, buy at 1630 and then expect 1635, 1640 levels as the next target. You have to trade with a trailing stop loss. As what we have seen yesterday, it can reverse because once it is trading in the bearish zone, it is trading below the 1645-40 zone. The critical resistance zone indicates little bearishness, and hence you have to trade with a strict stop loss at your entry price or with a trailing stop loss, such that in case of a reversal you can preserve your profits. And you can sell on the downside below 1624, or rather I will say 1620. Those who want to take a safe entry below 1624.25, you can expect 1620, and then below that you can expect further lows till towards 1615, 1612, 1608 and below levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade strictly with a stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to put the Telegram trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, if you want to join, let's have a look at silver now. And yes, those who want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch starts on 7th of November. If you are a trader, you should learn first. You should know this is an ocean and you should know how to swim carefully in this wild seas. And hence you should invest in your learning first, which can reap out the profits for life for you. So join my mentorship batch. The strategies taught will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Else you can just join my signals channel where you can trade as per the signals and definitely you can profit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can also be part of my pattern page, where that is just a support tier, where just a minuscule contribution from you will definitely be a motivation for me. So let's start. This is silver's price move now. And silver, we will come back to the daily charts later. Let's have a look at the hourly charts first. On the hourly charts, now see silver's price movement here. It was trading in this channel. It has breached this channel and now trying to trade below. So it appears the safe buy position today is only above 1870. Beyond that, certainly you can expect more bullishness and this will try to enter into this channel again. So yes, safe bet at 1870 levels look good. At the same time, look at the hourly charts and you will find on the downside there is a stronger support till 1855, and in fact 1850 is the major support. Only expect another round of drop which might take it till towards 1840, 1820 levels. Hence you have to be careful in between 1850 and 1870, and below 1850 certainly more drop can be expected. Directional movement has just crossed over for bullish move. Stochastic trading oversold. The MACD is divergent and is bearish. It has just crossed over. You have to be cautious here. It can continue in this bearish zone, or for the buys you have to wait for it to cross over. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts it is consolidating here, and you can find one observation here is it is failing to go past on the upside. However, look at the minor green candle, 2 retracement and another green candle. Yes, if with the next candle, if it trades past 1870, certainly it's a buy. Directional movement divergent and bullish here. Stochastic trading oversold. The MACD is trying to converge, but look at the slope here. This is parallel and hence probably the crossover is going to be difficult for it now. RSI trading flat with slightly bullish bias. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, it is still trying to consolidate lower highs, lower lows. Possibly once it trades past 1870, certainly it's a strong buy. At the same time, below 1855, you can remain short on silver. But then expect 1850 as the major support, and below 1850, it may again continue till towards 1840, and below that 1830, 1820 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is trading green, trading flat. RSI trading flat. And on the 4-hour charts, if you look at on the 4-hour charts to lower highs, lower lows, probably the next candle we have to break out. This could be a reversal indication, and once it trades above 1870, certainly more bullishness can be expected. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green, RSI trading flat. All indications on all the charts remain same, but let's have a look at the daily charts. Now on the daily charts, see, higher highs are seen. It has seen $19 levels, very strong levels, but at the same time strong swing also has been seen. Yes, it is trying to trade in this. Probably once it trades above 1870, you can expect 1880, 1900, 1910, 1920 also on the upside. See, it is trying to reverse. Previous candle had a smaller green body. Now it is continuing with the same bullish momentum. Let's see if it continues and achieves 1880, 1819, 1900 levels today. Yes, you can buy it there at 1870, 1871 and expect it to rise. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic is comfortable. The MACD is bearish here. Probably looking forward to converge crossover. RSI trading flat. So considering this, buy at 1870, 1871. Expect 1875, 80 as the next target. Then 1890, 1900, 1910. In fact, it can rise till towards 1920. Very strong resistance at 1920, and beyond that it will fly high. At the same time, you can sell there at 1850 levels. Below 1850, certainly more bearishness is seen. 1840, 1830, 1820. Be careful of 1820. Below 1820, certainly it is going to break strongly. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch or join my signals group. Either ways, you have to profit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.